Right. Coming to next problem. A cone of diameter 30 mm and axis 50 mm long lies on HP with its axis inclined at 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So same problem, same method. Name of the polygon is cone. Cone diameter is 30, axis is 50. Where we have to draw the cone on HP. What are the inclinations? 45 degrees to HP, 30 degrees to VP. Right? So you have to construct the cone. Cone should be on HP. Axis is 45 degrees to HP, 30 degrees to VP. Right? So cone diameter is how much? 50 mm. Construct the cone. Draw the circle 50 mm. Right? Divide this circle into 4 equal parts. Name it as A, B, C, D. Midpoint is O. After that, from A, draw the projectional lines till reference line. From C, from B and D. Right? Circle diameter is 30. Axis height is 50. From here, extend the axis line 50 mm. Join this A dash to O dash. Join this C dash to O dash. Right? This is your initial position. Now, after constructing this initial position, what is the next step? Angle is here 45 degrees to HP. Clearly mentioned, axis is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Right? So this is your axis line from B dash to O dash. Draw the axis line of any length with an angle here 45 degrees. Right? Then next from A dash to C dash. Measure this length by trial and error method. Draw here. Now from this point the axis height should be 50 mm. After drawing this, join O dash to A dash and here O dash to C dash. Same pyramid we are drawing here with an angle of 45 degrees. After drawing this, what is the next step? From D, draw the straight line. From AC, draw the straight line. From B, draw the straight line. Anyway, AC point is the O point. Right? So after that, draw the projectional lines from A to A, from B to B, from C to C, from D to D. Right? This is the O point from O to O. Projectional lines should be straight. Right? Join this A1, B1, C1, D1. We will get the circle. This is your O point. Join these corners to this O point. It looks like a cone shape. Right? Now, how to construct third step? Assuming that second step is in a box. Assume that this total cone was in a box. Starting is P, Q, R, S. Right? P, Q, R, S is a box. Draw here P, Q, R, S is a box. In between P and Q, midpoint line is A. In between P and Q, midpoint line is A. Right? In between Q and R, measure this distance from Q to B. From Q to B, draw the line. From B to C, draw the line. In between R and S, mark this O point. Right? Same cone, draw here. Join this one A2, B2, C2, D2. After getting this O point, join these corners. It looks like a cone shape. After drawing this, what is the next step? From O, draw the horizontal line from A, from B, anyway from C. After that, what we have to do? From A, draw the projectional line till A point. From B, draw the projectional line till B point. From C to C, from D to D, from O to O. Right? Join this A, B, C, D. Right? From O to O also you have to join the point. Join these corners. It looks like a cone shape. Right? Initial position, middle position, final position. This is your front view. This will be your top view. Right? Mark the dimensions. Diameter of cone is 30. Axis height is here 50 mm. This is your third problem. Right. Coming to next question. The question is, a square pyramid of base side 40 mm and axis is 60 mm has its corner in VP. A slant edge contained that corner is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections when a plane containing the slant edge and the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. So for every problem you have to remember 4 points. Name of the polygon is square. Condition is corners. We have to start the problem in VP. Angles are 45 degrees to VP, 45 degrees to AP. Right? So first position, square, corner, VP. Square, corner, VP. Construct the square. Project this one. Right? This is your initial position. Now coming to middle position, I want to tell here one thing. We solved previous solved problems. In previous solved problems, they mentioned the question that axis is inclined at 45 degrees or 30 degrees to HP or VP. They mentioned clearly one word as axis. Right? Second position, for every problem we constructed with the help of axis. Now see here in this question, the second position they mentioned as a slant edge containing that corner is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. They clearly mentioned that slant edge is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. So what are slant edges here? How we are drawing second step? With the help of first step only. Right? So what are the slant edges here? OC is one slant edge. OA is one slant edge. Take any one of the slant edge, either OC or OA. I am considering OC here. Take this OC, measure this length, draw here with an angle of 45 degrees. First, after that, keep your protractor on this slant edge OC. Keep your protractor on this line. From this point, mark 90 degrees. From C to A. From C to A, measure this length and draw here. Right? After that, join this corner to A to O. You will get the triangle. Mark the midpoint. Name it as D1 of P1. Right? Once again I am telling, in previous all problems, second position they mentioned as axis is inclined. But in this question, they mentioned as slant edge is inclined at 45 degrees. So they clearly mentioned as slant edge. OC is a slant edge, OA is a slant edge. Take any one of the slant edge. I am taking as OC. Measure this length, draw here with an angle of 45 degrees. After drawing this OC line, keep your protractor on this OC line. From this point, mark 90 degrees. Measure this CA and draw here. Right? So after drawing this step, what we are doing? From D, drawing horizontal line. From A, from B, we are drawing horizontal lines. Then next we are drawing projectional lines. From A to A, from B to B, from D to D, from C to C. We are drawing projectional lines. From O to O also we are drawing projectional lines. You will get the square you are joining here. This is your middle position. Now coming to third position. What they mentioned, axis is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. They clearly mentioned that axis is inclined. So see here, A1 dash to O1 dash is an axis line. Whenever you are drawing this third position, assuming that the second position is in a box. So I am considering from this corner to this corner, P, Q, R, S is a box. Right? First, what they mentioned, axis inclined at 45 degrees. From A1 dash to O1 dash. This is the axis line. Right? So first draw the axis line of any length. First draw the axis line of any length. Then next, take this PQ. Take this PQ by trial and error method. Just draw the PQ line first. Right? Now, Q to R. Take this distance. Keep your protractor here. Mark 90 degrees. Q to R. R to S. R to S. P to S. E to S. Right? After that, from Q to first line to second line. Q to first line to second line, draw this lines. Then next in between P and Q, midpoint line, in between P and Q, midpoint line. Name these points. Same, we are drawing this pyramid here with an angle of 45 degrees. Right? So if you want to know clearly, I will explain one more time. I am explaining only third position. What we have to do first? Axis. Draw the axis of 45 degrees. Then next, this is of any length, 45 degrees. Then next, from P to Q, take this distance, P to Q, P to Q. Then next, Q to R, keep your protractor on this line from this point 90 degrees, R point. Then P to S 90 degrees, S point. You will get this one. Right? In between Q and R, how many lines are there? In between Q and R, how many lines are there? Right? So name this point as here A, B, C, D, and this point is O. Join A, B, C, D to O points. You will get the square pyramid. Right? After drawing, what we have to do, from every corner again we have to draw the horizontal lines from A to A, from B to B, from C to C, from D to D, and last from O to O also. If you join all this, A, B, C, D, you will get the square, and this is the O point. Join O to A, O to B, O to C, and here O to D. This is your square pyramid. Right? After completion, write down here. This is as initial position. This will be your middle position. This will be your final position, and this is your front view, and this is your top view. Mark the dimensions properly. Length of the square is 40 and axis height is 60. Angles are 45 and 45. So what I want to tell is, read the question carefully. What they mention, axis is inclined at, or base is inclined at, or slant edge is inclined at. If you read the question carefully only, you will get the solution here. Right? So this is the problem of square pyramid.